was a couple sailboats out there. They zoomed by me. Once they were gone, I took a look at the wreck and decided, yeah, it looks like it's a good day to go snorkeling. So I got my fins on and hooked them onto my little feet, and then grabbed my mask and put the mask on and the snorkel. And then bam, let's get in the water and check out what's down there. And you know what? There was a lot of fish down there. Check them out. Look at them all. A whole bunch of them. Sorry about the unsteady camera. It's kind of hard to swim and film with one of these things in your hand. But you can see, I think those are lane snapper. I'm not quite sure, but I think that's what they are. And then a whole school of other fish came flying through. And you can see there's all kinds of bait fish. I mean, this is just a little small piece of boat that's out in the middle of a desert ocean. You can see there was a parrotfish there. And yeah, look at them all just swimming around, mating, making more little fish babies. And yep, got to come up for air, of course, every once in a while. And then take a look down there. There it is. That's the only part of the wreck that's really sticking out of the sandy bottom right now. But there's definitely always something to see out here. So it's worth the swim or the paddle to get out there and take a look at it. Because, you know, number one, you're going to get some exercise. And number two, you never know what kind of animals are going to be out there. Check these guys out, little yellow reef fish. And yeah, it's always interesting. I always find it interesting when I get out there. So if you come to Delray Beach, 150 yards off of the south end of the last shack is this boiler. They call it the boiler. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but it's sticking out in about 20 feet of water. It's not hard to find. If you don't know how to find it, you can ask the people at Delray Beach Water Sports. They'll point you in the right direction. So come on out, check it out, and see what you can see. You never know. You might see a shark. You might see a stingray. You're definitely going to see some tropical fish. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.